Here is a trailer recently completed. Besides the equipment that's currently installed in the trailer, also added was an exhaust fan, along with the generator box. Coming to the front of the generator box, you will see our dual swing doors, and the tow beam will also be included. Coming to the side of the trailer will be the concession rail that can be pushed upward, and a cover that can be opened and closed for the concession window. The concession window here is the window screen. Coming to the back or front will be the entrance with the equipment inside. When you step inside the trailer, located on the left side will be the 3-compartment sink along with faucet. To the center will be a under-counter refrigerator and a griddle. On the ceiling will be the hood along with your fire system. And coming to the right side will be additional hand sink. And on the bottom, storage. Located on the far left column will be a 110-120 voltage, and running along the top ceiling will be the gas connection. This is one of many options that Cooler Depot can customize for your trailer. So contact us with your inquiries and any questions. For all questions, give us a call. Or visit our website coolerdepot.usa.com for more information on our trailers, including the trailers that we have to offer for customization. Thank you.